Cellar 1, 2, 3 completed. Stilt level 85% completed. Slabs casting 1, 2, 3, 4 100% completed. 5th floor 80% completed. 6th floor columns in progress. 2nd floor brickwork started.